guys, so we are at Gilbert Hill. Here we have Mandar, the photographer, world famous. He'll give you a tour about this place.
So it might seem a normal rock, but it is very special rock because it is made up of lava, and it was formed over 66 million years ago. Actually, this is a World Heritage Place, and very few people know about this place. And it is very near to the Andheri station, and it is in the heart of Mumbai.
Yeah, it's also like surrounded by all buildings.
So we are at the top. It was about 5-10 minutes walk, and we have temple here. It's Gaudevi Durga Mata Mandir.
Okay guys, so we are at Godbandar Fort. We have here our person from here itself, he's Amay More. He will tell you in detail about this place.
Okay, so this fort was built by Portuguese in the 15th century. So the current form that you are seeing, this was built around 1730. This was completed around 1730. And so in the 16th century, Shivaji had come and attacked this fort and taken it from the Portuguese. So in 18th century, British occupied this fort and they made it into their headquarters for East India Company administration.
This place is currently under maintenance, so we cannot see the exact inside. We are just besides the fort. It's totally quite destroyed. And here,
Okay, so the reason this is called Godbandar is because the Portuguese used to trade horses here with the Arabs. So Godbandar is God for horses and Bandar is for port.
okay, so we have the name actually originated at this place, Godbandar. Also, they have said like there were movie shootings done. One was done, the web series was done right now in maybe around 10 days before, he said. Now, quite some places have been actually converted into residential areas. It's too bad to see the area being converted, archaeological area being converted. Good morning guys. Okay, so we are back from 2019. We had stopped this vlogs in 2019. Now we have started again in 2021. So today we have our very chief guest, Mr. Sahil Patel. He is the Air Bombay himself. He has around 20 plus K followers in Instagram and all other social medias. He is here today as a guide to let us know about how the people do the shooting and stuff of plane spotting. Yeah, right, definitely. Plane spotting and stuff with the international airport and domestic airport. We are here at a spot called at Jarimari in Kurla. You can just see the view that I have from right. Go.
We are at Mumbai's mini Taj Mahal, Hasanabad Dargah.
This is the resting place of Aga Khan I.
It was built in 1881.
Hey guys, we have reached here at Kolaba. We are at your Afghan church. We have our special guide for today, Dilshad Ahmed Bhai. He will let us know about more details about the church. Okay, so Dilshad Bhai, when was this church actually built?
It was built in 1847 after the first Afghan Anglo War.
Okay, this was built in 18th century, that is 200 years ago. After the Anglo, which war?
Anglo-Afghan War, the fight between Afghanistan and English army.
Okay, so it was built after the war between British and Afghanistan. Okay, so actually war में हुआ क्या था?
तो एक्चुअली अफगानिस्तान में सक्सेशन का वार हो रहा था, मतलब दो किंग आपस में फाइट कर रहे थे. तो ब्रिटिश ने अपनी एक आर्मी भेजी अफगानिस्तान में, तो मतलब एक आदमी को जिताने के लिए, एक किंग को. तो तो दूसरे वाली जो जिसके तरफ से भेजी थी, दूसरे वाले आदमी ने उस पर अटैक कर दिया आर्मी पे, और पूरे सब लोगों को मार दिया। सिर्फ एक बंदा बचा था जो कि एक घोड़े पे आया था।
अच्छा, तो अफगानिस्तान वाले ने सारे ब्रिटिशर्स को मार
सारे
दिया।
ब्रिटिशर्स, सिर्फ एक बंदा बचा
अच्छा,
था,
एक
उसको-
ब्रिटिशर्स को छोड़ के।
हाँ,
क्यों, उसको क्यों छोड़ दिया?
उसको छोड़ दिया ताकि इनको रिमाइंड करने के लिए कि दैट इज व्हाई द अफगान इज नोन एज द
छोड़ के।
ग्रेवयार्ड ऑफ एम्पायर, क्योंकि मतलब वो लोग ये दिखाने चाह रहे थे कि मतलब यहाँ से कोई बच के जा नहीं सकता है अगर अटैक करने आया कोई।
तो उसके मेमोरी में ये चर्च बना है।
हाँ, तो उसके
200 years old heritage. Hey guys, we are off to this Panju village, actually Panju island. It's a small piece of land in the Arabian Sea, nearest from the Vasai. There are just two people in the boat, 1, 2, and there are all the crew members. This ferry service is open all the time. I think it's open till the evening 7 o'clock. 10 rupees they charge you for going that side, and return is free. We have reached pretty inside this island. We have found here a skull. It's a original skull. This is a small village over here. We took around 5 minutes to cover this village. We have a localite over here. आप इधर क्या करते हो?
हम ऐसे ही घूमते हैं।
अच्छा, ऐसे घूमते हो?
यहाँ
और
आसपास
इधर
देखने के लिए।
आसपास देखने के लिए कुछ है?
इतना पूर्व ऐसे गए थे उधर ना, ऐसा मंदिर है अच्छा वाला।
अच्छा, कितना दूर पे है मंदिर?
2 मिनट का गाँव है, अंदर जाओ और बोट
ओके,
चालू है। हाँ,
अच्छा, और इधर के लोग क्या करते हैं?
ऐसे काम पे जाते हैं।
किधर जाते हैं काम पे?
उधर भाईंदर वसई वसई
अच्छा, भाईंदर वसई। सब स्कूलिंग इधर ही होते हैं क्या स्कूल बाहर होते हैं?
स्कूल बाहर है।
स्कूल बाहर, इधर कुछ स्कूल नहीं है?
हाय भाई छोटा वाला है।
अच्छा, छोटा प्राइमरी स्कूल है सर।
हाँ,
इधर बाहर से लोग आते हैं क्या देखने के लिए? टूरिस्ट?
वो जाते हैं।
अच्छा, बहुत टूरिस्ट आते हैं। कौन से टाइम पे आते हैं?
शाम को आते हैं 5-6 बजे।
अच्छा, और क्या करते हैं? स्कूल। We are at Sassen Docks. It was built at 1875 by the British. One of the oldest docks, actually the first dock, wet dock created or built in Mumbai, Bombay. Here the fish market is at early mornings. We are at Gawali waterfall. This is also called as Gansoli Hill. There's not much water here, but at real rain times there will be a lot of water. It's predicted. You can see the Reliance Stadium, maybe. Yeah. There's some tourists over here. This is the waterfall from the proper spot.
Close to the ground.
देखते हैं. The trek to go up takes around 30 minutes. It's also called as Gansoli Hill, Gansoli Waterfall. Very near from Millennium Business Park. Okay guys, we are at Manori Beach. This beach is also called as Mini Goa. This is actually very peaceful over here. The area behind you can see is the Manori village.
वीडियो लेने लगे, खुद को भी शेयर कर दे पोस्ट।
Welcome to Surochi Beach. This is in Vasai. We have camel rides and horse rides. Yeah, this is a camel here right now. But the beach is not that huge gutter. You can say it as a very big gutter. Big gutter. Yeah, you should actually try the other beaches in Vasai, which are much more better.
Yeah, you should definitely try other beaches in.
Yes, you can name some of the beaches now. Yeah, this is better than Juhu, I can say, but not anything much good to visit. This is a small adventure here. That is, you have to cross this bridge to enter. You can see this guy is trying very hard.
Yeah.
Here at Vasai Fort, built by actually the Portuguese in 1536. This is actually very, it's too big. The fort is very big. You can actually see everything you can see in this camera is included in this fort. built in 1536. Then it was taken over by Marathas, then again by British, then again finally by India. By different part of the fort. It's totally vacant actually. There are just two people here.
Two people.
May goes to. We are with our travel partner. Travel partner actually, Nano.
Show the Tata logo.
Yeah, this is the original Tata logo.
The original. Sponsored by
Tata himself.